Oh, these are cool.
Got these. Okay. Then I have a couple remotes. I really only need.
All right. How you guys doing today? Good, how are you? Doing good. Is this brand new? Be on the lookout for these Euro internet extenders. They can actually bring really good money. Brand new, they sell for $100+. They're asking $15 a piece on these, so I decided to pass. Had those, been using them in my house. They work well. You need those here. Is this all the cards you have?
Yes.
Yeah, they don't say it. It's a generic box. It should say the back of a card, but I'm trying to. They're so tight. Oh, it's 88. I can tell by the front of it.
Huh.
Oh, these are cool. Do you have any more video game stuff, or is this it?
That is it, actually.
Yeah. What is this? The Vortex Plus?
That's an air fryer.
Oh, it's an air fryer? Gotcha. I thought it was a... Yeah, I was hoping it was one of those ice machines. My wife's looking for one of those ice machines. This plays tapes in MP3s, or?
Yes. Yeah. And these are the speakers.
Speakers for it.
It's brand new. He never.
It's actually brand new. He had the vintage look. We never even used it.
Oh, really?
Back for Christmas.
Yeah, it's a cool look to it.
Huh?
It adds a cool look. Like,
Yeah.
I like the vintage
Yeah.
look to it. Can't believe how big this thing is.
That's the whole
I know, it's huge.
Yeah.
They were asking $50 for it with all the accessories. I think I should have picked it up. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you have bought this, or would you left it behind?
Oh yeah, like it spirals. It goes
Yeah, yeah. How much is the straightener?
Yeah.
How much?
Oh, there's not.
Oh, sorry, never. I see $2. Okay.
You want to put all the clothes right here on this figure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that Sony for sale? The camera?
Yeah.
$10.
$10.
Is it? Look at it first. We don't even know.
It's in there.
It works. Has a battery. Has a charging. Does it have the charging stick, or do you just plug in to charge it?
Yeah, you just plug it in.
There's no cord to plug in though. That's the HDMI cord, TV. This is the cord to plug into the TV. So another one to plug in the TV.
Oh, like
There you go.
Yeah, just stick it down here. 3, 8, 10
Is that for sale?
and 6 is
this? No.
Oh, okay.
10 and 6 is 16. And how much you say for that?
10.
The 26?
Everything's for sale.
Ooh, 20.
Everything else is good inside.
All the parts are good, you know, anybody takes them apart and resell to the inside, so.
No, I was just asking because I had 385.
Those are stains. Hey, doggy. Hey. Good morning. Good, how are you?
Alright, so that was 15, no, yeah.
Yeah.
15? Okay, 16, 17.
Yes.
Why not?
I just need to do that.
Oh,
Zell.
maybe.
I did Venmo. Doesn't have Zell.
Oh, $7. Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank
Do you want a bag?
Yeah, honestly, let's just say yes.
How much is that?
They are 20. It's a collector's item.
Oh, that's cool. I've never seen them before.
Yeah, we had a person from Tennessee give them to us, and we were like, "This is really cool."
Little people.
We don't collect buck stuff. They gave
Yeah.
us a Bucks and a Bills one because
Okay.
my husband's a Bills fan. So yeah. Oh, nice.
Know that these NFL little people were an actual thing, so I did a little research on them. The Buccaneers one only goes for about $20 or so, but there are ones like the Buffalo Bills that sold for over 100. There's a Super Bowl champs one from the Kansas City Chiefs that sells anywhere from like 60 to $100. So if you guys do see them, make sure you do your research, look them up, especially with NFL season right around the corner. These could be a good pickup. Hello. All right, what we got? I probably should have picked up this vintage Winnie the Pooh Tigger shirt, but it had some stains on it, so I decided to pass on it. Let me know in the comments, would you have picked it up? No. How much you have on that? $2? He was only asking $2 for that vintage 1980s New England Patriots stadium chair. Now those chairs usually go for like 20 to 30 bucks on eBay. This one was super dirty, needed to be cleaned up, so I just decided to pass on it. Been busy so far today? Fourth person. I didn't know that you guys were even back here, so.
Well, that's why we put the sign.
Yeah, that was a good idea, because I would have drove right by it.
What do you record?
I have like a thing on YouTube where I do like American Picker style, where I go to yard sales and just
Oh, yeah.
my finds. So,
Okay.
yeah. Little slinky dog. Do you have any like video games or like sports cards or anything like that?
Do you want PS3 games? 'Cause
Yeah.
I didn't put any out, but I actually have some.
I would be interested in PS3.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it just the games? Do you have the console too?
Yeah, but I'm keeping that.
Oh, okay, cool.
Got these.
Okay.
And I have a couple remotes. I really only need.
All right. What do you want for the remotes and stuff in the games?
I don't know, like a couple bucks a piece on the games.
Sure. Sure.
And then I think I have 2 remotes.
Okay. Yeah, I'd be interested. What do you want for the remotes?
Another couple bucks.
Yeah, okay. I'd be interested in remotes.
Okay.
I can always use extra ones, so.
My son wanted to make sure you saw the arrowheads.
I know. I was just looking at them actually.
I made those.
Okay. You made those?
Yeah.
Where'd you make them from? These are cool.
I don't know where that stone came from. I bought
Okay.
like a bunch. This is agatized coral from Florida. These are from Missouri. That's from Missouri. This is Burlington.
That's awesome.
This is from Texas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and then I think North or South Dakota.
So how long does it take you to actually make one of those?
It just depends. This one was fairly easy. Like, depends on how thin you want them. This one was a pain. I broke it. It actually would have been a longer.
Nice.
But,
so this is just a passion project of yours?
Yeah,
or?
I got into it because I wanted deer hunt with an arrowhead I made, with a bow I made, and all that. But I just love the flint napping, so I do that a lot.
When you were actually in there, I was actually looking at a couple, and I was like, these are so cool looking.
These are actually translucent.
Oh, so you hold it up. Oh, that's awesome.
This is called Knife River Flint. I think it's North or South Dakota. I can't remember where it's from.
Now, do you buy the stones online, or is this when you travel, you pick them up?
A lot of the stone I found, like all those buckets are full of rock. But like the stuff that's not from Missouri is stuff that I bought, but it was just like a guy was getting rid of a bunch of stone and was like, here, just make me offer, so I just bought some
That's
rock.
Awesome. Yeah.
This came from Oklahoma. It's called K County Church. You can see like the lines in it, and that's just how like the sediment settled and made all those fine like fingerprint looking layers.
So similar like a tree, like when you cut up a tree open and then they have all the rings.
Yeah, it's sedimentary. This stuff comes out of Texas, and this is Georgetown, and it comes in nodules. It kind of looks like that agatized coral where it's white on the outside, but it's just this gray on the inside.
It's fascinating, man. Well, I learned something new today, man. I didn't know that was a thing. So, what do you want for it all here? So,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We'll just do 2 for these. So 14, and then 15 bucks.
I appreciate you bringing it out for me, man.
Oh, no problem. I've had that PS3 since like 05.
Oh, hold on. You gave me a 20.
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant to just give you a 5.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for
no. You brought this up out for me, man. I'll make sure you get your money for it. Was it so 05? That was the original release, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was it? So it's a Fat Boy.
Yeah, it's a Fat Boy. Yeah.
Does it? Is it backwards compatible?
What do you mean?
Does it play PS1 or PS2 games?
It does not play PS2 games.
Okay. Yeah. So I bought when I originally bought. I remember like searching. I went to Circuit City and I ended up buying the Fat Boy, like the original one. And I remember I missed like I didn't reserve one, so I was driving around town and literally you walked into Circuit City Best Buy, like their whole section was like sold out, but they had them hidden behind the customer service desk. No one knew. Yeah. So I just happened to walk out and I saw the corner of my eye, and that's how I got my this is one of my favorite systems of all time. So when you said you have PS3 stuff, I love it, man.
I still have Skyrim up there.
I'm excited for this one. This one's awesome.
Yeah. I kept the original Dead Space.
Yeah.
And then there's another one. Oh, Ratchet and Clank. I love the Ratchet and Clank.
The Ratchet and Clank series is awesome, man.
He's not quite big enough where he can play him, but he likes to watch me play, and he'll play a little bit.
There's on the PS3 they actually came out with a trilogy where they actually have they take 3 of the PS2 games for Ratchet and Clank. And
I have that.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. It's the 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah. When that guy brought out that stack of video games, I had no idea that Little Big Planet was going to be sealed and it was going to be worth $50 or $60 brand new. I thought it was going to be like a $20 game. So, hey, sometimes better be lucky than good. I will say, how cool were those arrowheads that guy was making? That's definitely a passion project for someone to sit down and carve those out and make those, and he wants to use them for hunting. I thought that was really cool, a cool story, and really wanted to show that off for him. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. We will be going back on Whatnot back in August, and we're going to be blowing out a lot of this merchandise in our shop here, so make sure you go check us out. I'll put a link down in the description down below. Go bookmark our future shows. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.